Hi everyone, Annika here and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video you will learn how to install the corporate branding package. Orange HRM Corporate Branding allows you to flaunt your corporate colors by customizing the Orange HRM system with your organization's colors, company logo, and banners. This is available as an add-on feature that needs to be separately purchased. To purchase the add-on, first log into the system and go to the Marketplace. Locate Corporate Branding among the featured add-ons and click Request to request for this package. If the system doesn't allow you to request for this feature, you may not have the authorization to request for this feature due to limited restrictions on your account. Contact your system administrator in this case, and they will be able to request for this feature on behalf of your organization. Fill in the details of a contact person and submit the request form. Make sure you receive a confirmation email to the provided email account once you make the request. One of our team members from Orange HRM will contact you and personally guide you through the purchase process. Once you successfully complete the payment process, go to the Marketplace and you can see the Install button next to the Corporate Branding feature instead of the Request button. Click Install, and the corporate branding package will be installed into the system. Now that you have completed the installation, go to the Admin module, and there you can see the new corporate branding feature added to your system. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach us at info@orangehrm.com. For other matters, you may directly email our support at ossupport@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.